exempt most nearly means A. Empty, B. Exit, C. Excuse, D. Annoyed. The word exempt means to free someone from a rule or requirement. The words empty, exit, and annoyed do not seem related to the definition. The only word that comes close to this is C. Excuse. Recruit most nearly means A. React, B. Enlist, C. Permit, D. Recur. To recruit means to take on, sign up, or enlist members into an organization or club. The words react, permit, and recur do not relate to the definition. So B. Enlist is the correct answer. The decision was unanimous. A. Questioned, B. Undisputed, C. Selective, D. Trivial. Unanimous uses the prefix uni, or one, as in unity or unify. The only word that relates to the concept of one or unity is undisputed, suggesting that everyone is in agreement. Choice B is the correct answer. The words questioned, selective, and trivial do not relate to the definition. Temperamental most nearly means A. Benevolent, B. Lazy, C. Volatile, D. Demure. Temperamental most nearly means volatile. Think of temperament or having a temper. Choice C is the correct answer. He chose the economical solution. A. Costly, B. Logical, C. Comical, D. Thrifty. Economical has to do with finances or the economy. The words logical and comical have no relation to finances, so they can be eliminated as possibilities. This leaves costly and thrifty as the two possible answers. Since being economical means to not waste money, time, or other resources, choice D, thrifty, is the correct answer. The promotion made Errol happy. A. Notice, B. Gift, C. Elevation, D. Letter. The prefix pro means forward. Motion has to do with moving. Combining the two gives you moving forward. The only word that relates to this is elevation, meaning to move forward or higher up in the ranks. Choice C is the correct answer. Her behavior was unpredictable. A. Consistent, B. Random, C. Dependable, D. Regular. The prefix un means not. So the word means not predictable. If something cannot be predicted, it is not consistent, dependable, or regular, as these words are somewhat the opposite of the definition. So the correct answer has to be choice B, random. Deny most nearly means A. State, B. Avoid, C. Refuse, D. Open. To deny means to refuse to accept as correct or to not grant or give something. State, avoid, and open do not relate to the definition. Refuse is the closest word to that meaning, so choice C is the correct answer. Making that decision at that time was irresponsible. A. Hapless. B. Giddy. C. Easy. D. Reckless. The prefix er means not. Irresponsible, then, means not responsible. Hapless, giddy, and easy do not relate to the definition. Reckless is the only word that reflects the correct meaning, so choice D is the correct answer. Persistent most nearly means A. Gentle. B. Unrelenting. C. Resigned. D. Manageable. Persistent means refusing to give up. Gentle, resigned, and manageable do not relate to this idea. Unrelenting, choice B, is the correct answer. The opponent was more dominant. A. Helpful. B. Overriding. C. Understanding. D. Joyous. Dominant means being overpowering or prevailing, or ruling by superior power. The words joyous, understanding, and helpful do not seem to match the definition. The word that most closely relates to the definition is overriding, so choice B is the correct answer. Mark was more conscientious than his friend. A. Painstaking. B. Popular. C. Friendly. D. Handsome. Conscientious has to do with doing what is right and correct. By knowing that, you can eliminate the words popular, friendly, and handsome. The word painstaking is most closely related to the meaning of conscientious, so choice A is the correct answer. Diversion most nearly means A. Distraction. B. Containment. C. Pressure. D. Supply. A diversion is something that makes you turn aside or distracts your attention. The words containment, pressure, and supply do not match the definition. So, distraction, choice A, is the correct answer. The assumption was that she was correct. A. Belief. B. Decision. C. Rumor. D. Guess. To assume means to take for granted or to presume that something is true. So assumption has to do with taking something to be true or correct. The words decision, rumor, and guess do not match the definition. The word belief most closely relates to this idea. The correct answer is choice A. Profess most nearly means A. Work. B. Claim. C. Disguise. D. Accuse. Profess most nearly means A. Work. B. Claim. C. Disguise. D. Accuse. To profess means to proclaim, state, or declare. The words work, disguise, and accuse do not match the definition. The word that most nearly resembles this idea is claim, so choice B is the correct answer. The substance of their argument was trivial. A. Sinister. B. Inconsequential. C. Sad. D. Demanding. Trivial means unimportant or insignificant. The words sinister, sad, and demanding do not match the definition. Inconsequential, choice B, is the correct answer. His attitude was optimistic. A. Grouchy. B. Angry. C. Unusual. D. Positive. Optimistic means having a hopeful view of the world, so the words grouchy, angry, and unusual can be eliminated. Positive, choice D, is the correct answer. Variable most nearly means A. Different. B. Gloomy. C. Changeable. D. Bifurcate. To vary means to change, so variable means changeable. Choice C is the correct answer. His words needed clarification. A. Expansion. B. Explanation. C. Elimination. D. Recognition. A clarification is something that makes information clearer or more explicit, so the elimination and recognition of the word are clearly wrong. The word expansion could have to do with providing more information to clarify something, but an explanation, choice B, is the best answer. The view is panoramic. A. Beautiful. B. Unrealistic. C. Stylistic. D. Expensive. Panoramic means providing a wide view. So beautiful, unrealistic, and stylistic are not related to the word. The best answer is choice D, expensive. Compassionate most nearly means A. Unwieldy. B. Modern. C. Concerned. D. Restrictive. The prefix com means to bring together. Passionate has to do with strong, caring feelings. Combining those ideas suggests that compassionate has to do with bringing strong or deep feelings together. The words unwieldy, modern, and restrictive do not match the definition. The only word that deals with feelings is concerned. Choice C is the correct answer. Contingent most nearly means A. Rapid. B. Dependent. C. Difficult. D. Mysterious. One event is contingent upon another if it will happen only if the second event occurs. The best synonym is choice B, dependent. Velocity most nearly means A. Variety. B. Veracity. C. Swiftness. D. Overflow. Velocity has to do with quickness or speediness. The words variety, veracity, and overflow do not match the definition. So swiftness, choice C, is the correct answer. Her house was immaculate. A. Cleaned. B. Spotless. C. Large. D. Fancy. Immaculate means without flaws or errors. The words large and fancy do not match the definition. A house that has been cleaned may be immaculate, but spotless is the closest word to without flaws or errors. Choice B is the best answer. The visibility that day was very poor. A. Clarity. B. Test. C. Observation. D. Dichotomy. Visible relates to being able to see something, or vision, so visibility must have to do with being able to see. Test and dichotomy do not match the definition. A view may be an observation, but that is not the best answer. Clarity is the only word that relates to the definition of being able to see. Choice A is the best answer. The wind was so strong that the boat capsized. A. Overturned. B. Accelerated. C. Tilted. D. Docked. Capsized means turned over. The words accelerated, tilted, and docked do not match the definition. Choice A, overturned, is the correct answer. The elected official abdicated responsibility for the situation. A. Welcomed. B. Cheered. C. Transition. D. Abandoned. Abdicated means gave up or surrendered. Welcomed, cheered, and transitioned are unrelated to this concept. Abandoned is most closely related to the word abdicated. Choice D is the correct answer. Her skills made her eligible for the position. A. Qualified. B. Eager. C. Adequate. D. Thankful. Eligible means fit to be chosen. The words eager, adequate, and thankful are unrelated to this concept. Choice A, qualified, fits most closely and is the best answer. Buoyant most nearly means A. Floating. B. Happy. C. Significant. D. Acrobatic. To be buoyant means to be able to float. The words happy, significant, and acrobatic do not match the definition. Choice A, floating, is the correct answer. You can remember this by thinking of a buoy, which floats in the water. The pond was teeming with fish. A. Empty. B. Opaque. C. Crowded. D. Vigorous. Teeming means swarming, abounding, or being full. Empty is the opposite of this concept. Opaque means dense or thick, and vigorous means energetic, strong, or active. These words don't relate to being full or swarming, but crowded does. Choice C is the correct answer. Bestow most nearly means A. Remove. B. Have. C. Give. D. Question. Bestow means to give, as in giving a gift or an award. The words remove, have, and question do not match the definition. Give, choice C, is the correct answer. Meander most nearly means A. Twist. B. Reverse. C. Exceed. D. Renew. A river that meanders is one that winds and turns as it flows. The best synonym is choice A, twist. Infiltrate most nearly means A. Interfere. B. Seek. C. Enter. Depenetrate. Infiltrate most nearly means A. Interfere. B. Seek. C. Enter. Depenetrate. Infiltrate means to pass into, or to seize control from within. The words interfere and seek are not related to the definition. Enter is similar in meaning, but the word penetrate is the closest to the stated meaning. Choice D is the correct answer. His science grade plummeted after that difficult exam. A. Soared. B. Plunged. C. Increased. D. Failed. Plummeted means fell. Soared has somewhat the opposite meaning. The words increased and failed are not related. Choice B, plunged, is the correct answer. The monument was defiled by the visitors. A. Honored. B. Desecrated. C. Cleaned. D. Respected. Defiled means contaminated or dishonored. Honored is the opposite of this idea. The words cleaned and respected are not related. Desecrated, choice B, is the correct answer.